Hey everyone, we're the Berlins. Thanks for watching Berlin Builds. Today we want to talk to you about the first part of our fireplace build.
So we actually built our own house, and we actually didn't have a fireplace in the budget. So I begged this guy to build me a fireplace with our very tight budget. And we did this for a few $100, and it looks great in our home.
So this episode is going to show you the framing as well as putting the fireplace insert into the fireplace.
this time or a new build, this might be a good option for you guys to go with if you have a tight budget.
This is the first stage of our fireplace. Keep watching for another episode, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so that way you'll see the next episode coming out. But we're going to do another episode with the mantle and different things that we're going to add to it. If you like this insert, there's a link in the description below so you can buy the exact same one.